Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Uh, I will introducing again myself, Muhammad Abdullah. I'm from Masuki, and I will answer the tags from the chapter 3 from Mr. Zainuddin MPD. How the chapter 3? The chapter 3, that is the task, is the nature of a process and method in language teaching is based of different. That's based of different, right? Because why? Philosophies and teachings for how language are best learning and taught. This a process and method very depending on belief about how language is structured, how people learn, and what teaching practice are most effective. Here are key concepts. For the first, a process and approach is a set of principles or theories about the nature of language and language learning. It provides the foundation for understanding how language functions, how learning is created, and what goals language education should prioritize. Okay, for the uh, met what natural nature of pre-protest, that is there is many tips for come to that. The first, grammar translation approach, and number two, communicative approach, and number three, natural approach. Okay, and number two, method. Method. How a method? A method is the application of a approach in practical classroom, teaching quests, and products. Okay, and products. Methods are more specific that process and include structured activities, teaching sequence, and lesson plays that that put theory into practice. Someone well-known language teaching method include, yeah, direct method. There is many tips for method. The first, audio language method, and the second of the key for method, that is a task-based text-based language teaching, or can you say the TBLT? Yeah, TBLT. Why TBLT? Because focus on using language to accomplish specific, yeah, text or goals, such as completing a project with correct, meaningful communication. Yeah, maybe that's all for me about the chapter 3. What? The natural of a process and method in language teaching. Yeah, maybe that's for me all for the chapter 3. Maybe that's all for me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.